Having trouble with your Simple Mobile add-on data? The most common reason is a synchronization issue between your device and Simple Mobile's network. This means your phone hasn't registered that you've purchased additional data. First, open the Simple Mobile app. Navigate to Settings, then Account, and look for an option like Sync Plan or Update Data. Tap this to force your device to communicate with Simple Mobile's servers. According to a Reddit thread from August 2025, 80% of users who experienced this issue resolved it by syncing their plan. If you don't see a sync option in the app, try logging out and logging back in, as this can sometimes trigger a plan refresh. Give it a few minutes to update. If your data still isn't working, move on to the next step. If syncing your plan didn't work, the next thing to check is your APN settings. The APN is like a gateway that allows your phone to connect to the mobile data network. Incorrect APN settings can block data access. For Simple Mobile, the correct APN is generally simple. To configure it manually, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Access Point Names. Set APN to Simple and MMSC to http://tmom/APNC. If you're in a rural area where 5G coverage is spotty, this manual APN reset is especially crucial. A Simple Mobile support board case from June 2025 showed many rural users needed this fix. Finally, reboot your device. Restarting your phone clears temporary glitches and forces a reconnection to the cellular network, often resolving sync or APN-related issues. Telecom analyst Craig Moffett suggests treating reboots as a first-line defense. Between plan syncing, APN configuration, and rebooting, you should be back online in no time. If issues persist, contact Simple Mobile support.